Well, it is the election season and it was the first show of strength of the United Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party and RLD Alliance. And this grand alliance chose UP's Muslim-dominated Deoband area to kickstart their campaign. Both Akhilesh Yadav and Mayawati joined forces to slam the Bharatiya Janata Party, but they also, in fact, targeted the Congress Party. Mayawati started a blistering attack on Prime Minister Modi, accusing him of pushing a communal growth-less agenda for India. In the same breath, in fact, she also described the Congress as another side of the BJP and issued an appeal to the voters from the Muslim community not to get swayed by the Congress's empty promises. Mayawati sought to prevent a split within the Muslim community votes and urging this sizable minority community to vote for the Grand Alliance, which does not have the Congress clearly, and painting it as only viable alternative to the Bharatiya Janata Party.
कांग्रेस पार्टी ये मानकर चल रही है हम जीते या ना जीते, लेकिन गठबंधन नहीं जीतना चाहिए। ज़्यादातर कांग्रेस पार्टी ने तो जगह जगह ऐसी जाति और ऐसे धर्मों के लोगों को खड़ा किया है जिससे भारतीय जनता पार्टी को फायदा पहुंच जाए। इन मुस्लिम समाज के लोगों को मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ, आप लोगों को अपना वोट बांटना नहीं है, बल्कि आप लोगों को एक तरफा अपना वोट बीएसपी के लोगों को, बीएसपी के यानी कि समाजवादी पार्टी और आरएलडी के उम्मीदवारों को ही देकर तो आप लोगों को इन्हें कामयाब बनाना है। देश के अति गरीब लोगों के वोटों को लुभाने के लिए इनको हर महीने 6,000 रुपए के हिसाब से देने की जो ये बात कही है, तो इससे भी इनकी गरीबी को दूर करने का कोई स्थायी हल निकलने वाला नहीं है।
In a close to 45-minute speech, BSP Supremo Mayawati attacked the Modi government, its policies, and saying that the Modi government failed to live up to its promises of Achhe Din during its tenure. She took on the Modi government for its policies of GST and note ban, for which she blamed that there were a lot of job losses and the small traders are still facing the problem. She also took on the Modi government on the Pulwama attack, saying that despite tall claims made by the Modi government, terrorists are attacking inside the borders of the country and our soldiers are still being martyred. Also, she took on the Congress party and blamed it for helping the BJP by fielding candidates of similar caste and religion, that of the United Alliance, particularly in Saharanpur, where the Congress party has fielded a Muslim candidate, which will benefit the BJP, she said. She also alleged that there is no difference between the Congress and the BJP, be it the Bofors by the Congress or now the Rafale deal by the BJP, and she said that during both these parties' rule, the Dalits, the backwards, have suffered the most, and she promised that once the United Alliance is in power, it will help the Dalits and the backwards find jobs and not the jumlas like rupees 15 lakh or 72,000 as promised by the Congress party.
जहां तक सवाल कांग्रेस और बीजेपी का है, अगर कांग्रेस को देखोगे आप नीतियां और बीजेपी की नीतियों को देखोगे, तो जो कांग्रेस है वही बीजेपी है और जो बीजेपी है वही कांग्रेस है। दोनों में कोई फर्क नजर नहीं आता। न नौकरी न रोजगार, ये पहली सरकार है जो वादा करती है उस वादा के खिलाफ काम करती है। इन्होंने वादा किया कि अच्छे दिन लाएंगे, बुरे दिन ला दिए हमारे और आपके।
The speech of Samajwadi Party leader and former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav, focused mainly on attacking the Modi government and its policies. Akhilesh started his speech by saying that in the previous election in 2014, Narendra Modi came as a chai wala and he's fooled the masses, and now he is again trying to fool the masses by becoming a chowkidar, and he appealed to the people here that we should snatch away the chowkis of these chowkidars, all the followers of Narendra Modi. So direct attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi there as well. And also he attacked the BJP by saying that the party is trying to divide and rule. He said that the BJP is more divisive than the Britishers were. And that's the reason why they are in power in a number of states here. The Samajwadi Party leader said that the Congress Party is also trying to help the BJP by fielding candidates in the state. Clearly the anger in the United Alliance is visible, and both Mayawati and Akhilesh attacked the Congress Party. The Akhilesh Yadav also said that the Congress Party appears to be more interested in strengthening its own party in the Uttar Pradesh rather than taking out the BJP from the power. Akhilesh said that the voters should look for a transformation of the country through this election, and this opportunity has come in this Lok Sabha polls.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.